The future of video is already here. Imagine typing a simple sentence and watching it turn into a cinematic video within seconds. No camera, no crew, no editing software, just pure AI magic unfolding before your eyes. OpenAI's new innovation, Sora, is doing exactly that and shaking up the creative world. This is not just a tool for content creators. This is the future of filmmaking and storytelling. Sora generates high-quality, realistic videos using nothing more than a text prompt. It understands motion, physics, and scene composition with uncanny precision and creativity. From sci-fi worlds to everyday city scenes, it crafts visuals that feel straight out of Hollywood. This is not your average AI gimmick. This is a leap into a new visual reality. The technology behind it is so advanced, it stuns even the most seasoned industry experts. What was once the domain of big-budget studios is now accessible to anyone with an idea. You can turn imagination into motion pictures without ever picking up a camera. Whether you are a filmmaker, marketer, educator, or just curious, Sora has something for you. In this video, we will break down what Sora really is and how it works. You will see why people are calling it the future of video and a creative revolution. So buckle up and get ready to witness the tool that could change everything. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into next-gen AI tech. 1. What exactly is Sora? Sora is a revolutionary AI model developed by OpenAI that turns text into high-definition video. You simply describe a scene in plain language, and it generates a realistic moving video. Whether it is a sunset over Tokyo or a dragon flying through New York, it brings ideas alive. Sora works by understanding the meaning behind your text and translating it into visual motion. The tool captures texture, lighting, camera movement, and even character behavior. It supports clips up to 1 minute long, but the realism in those 60 seconds is mind-blowing. This is not just animation, it is AI-generated cinematography at a professional level. Sora can create everything from slow pans and zooms to handheld camera effects and dolly shots. The videos can feel like they were shot on location or rendered by a VFX team. But there is no studio, no lens, and no human director, just your prompt and the AI engine. It is trained on a vast library of videos and understands how real-world physics works. That means it gets gravity, shadows, reflections, weather changes, and even facial expressions. Characters can walk, talk, emote, and react, just like real actors on a set. You can add surreal elements or keep it grounded. Sora adapts to any narrative style. It is still early, but the results are already years ahead of what most expected from AI video. From concept art to short films, the range of uses is staggering and growing fast. Even game designers and storytellers are exploring its applications in prototyping and world building. 2. How does Sora actually work? Behind Sora lies one of the most advanced AI architectures OpenAI has ever built. It combines deep learning, video diffusion models, and transformer technology in one powerhouse system. Essentially, Sora predicts motion and visual structure based on the context of your text. It breaks down your sentence into key concepts and then recreates those ideas frame by frame. The process is similar to how DAL*E generates images, but scaled massively for time and motion. Sora does not just guess shapes, it understands time, continuity, and cinematic rhythm. Each second of video requires thousands of intelligent decisions and coordinated visual elements. It synthesizes details like how wind moves fabric or how lighting shifts across a room. The AI understands perspective, camera angles, object tracking, and environmental interactions. It is capable of generating multi-shot scenes, simulating drones, dolly movements, or character close-ups. What makes Sora special is its ability to do this without pre-programmed rules. It learns patterns from data and then generalizes them to new prompts with stunning flexibility. This means you are not just limited to simple scenes. You can generate full cinematic sequences. The model's training included diverse video sources, giving it a robust visual and physical logic. 3. Sora's potential use cases across industries. Sora is not just a toy for hobbyists. It could redefine entire industries in the next few years. In filmmaking, directors could storyboard and visualize scenes faster and cheaper than ever before. No more waiting for location shoots or VFX teams. Just render your vision instantly with text. Marketers can create custom ads that are hyper-specific to different audiences and markets. Imagine regional campaigns with tailored visuals generated in real time based on demographics. For educators, Sora can visualize abstract concepts or historical moments in vivid, engaging form. Science teachers could bring cell biology to life or recreate ancient Rome with astonishing clarity. In architecture and design, you can present walkthroughs of buildings that do not exist yet. Interior designers can test layouts, color schemes, and lighting concepts visually before construction. Even journalists could generate visual reenactments of complex global events or climate change effects. Video game developers might use Sora to prototype cutscenes or environmental storytelling. Authors and screenwriters can visualize their ideas before pitching them to investors or publishers. And social media creators could push out fresh, eye-catching content with minimal production time. 4. The limitations and concerns of Sora. As powerful as Sora is, it comes with significant concerns that cannot be ignored. First is the potential misuse of realistic video generation in misinformation or propaganda. Fake news videos could become harder to detect if AI-generated content is indistinguishable from real footage. This could have serious consequences for politics, journalism, and public trust. There are also intellectual property concerns about what kind of training data Sora was built on. If it used copyrighted footage to learn, questions arise about who owns the output it generates. Content creators may worry that AI tools like Sora could devalue original work or lead to job loss. Visual artists, editors, animators, and filmmakers are already discussing how to adapt to this disruption. Then there is the ethical issue of realism. How much is too much when it comes to faking reality? Sora's ability to generate fictional events or people can cross dangerous lines if not monitored. OpenAI is aware of these risks and is implementing safeguards, including watermarking and access limits. They also require prompts to follow strict content policies to avoid generating harmful or false visuals. But as with any powerful tech, regulation may lag behind innovation, creating a gray zone of risk. Another limitation is computational cost. Rendering these videos requires high-end servers and energy. That makes it less accessible for average users right now compared to other AI tools. 5. What comes next for Sora and AI video? OpenAI has made it clear that Sora is just the beginning of their AI video roadmap. Future versions are expected to support longer videos, real-time editing, and voice integration. You might soon be able to create entire films or YouTube videos with only a written script. Integration with ChatGPT could allow automatic storyboarding, dialogue, and character development. This convergence of models will make end-to-end content creation nearly seamless for solo creators. Imagine describing an idea, getting a full video draft, revising scenes, and publishing, all in one place. That is the future Sora is building towards, a future where storytelling is faster, richer, and limitless. Other companies like Google, Runway, and Pika are racing to catch up in this space. But OpenAI's head start with GPT, DAL*E, and now Sora gives it a major competitive edge. We may see Sora embedded in design tools, VR platforms, or even mobile apps. Imagine scrolling through TikTok and seeing a viral video entirely AI-generated from scratch. A new creative era begins. Sora is more than just an AI. It is a new lens through which we will see the world. It transforms imagination into moving images faster than we ever thought possible. This is not science fiction. It is science, applied with stunning creativity and intelligence. OpenAI's vision has made it clear. The future of content is intelligent, accessible, and limitless. Whether you are building a brand, telling a story, or teaching a lesson, Sora can amplify your voice. The age of needing massive budgets to create visuals is fading away rapidly. In its place is a new world where ideas are the only limit to what you can produce. Of course, with power comes responsibility, and how we use this tech will shape our digital society. But one thing is certain, Sora is here, and the future of video will never be the same. If this fascinated you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into game-changing AI tools.